Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation. If you are new, please subscribe our YouTube channel for the order of operation basic example. If you are new, watch this video in the last and comment this below on which topic you want a video. So in this video we are discussing the first of all order of operation example, and in this example first we simplify the in bracket. So first of all we simplify the bracket and then inside the bracket value. Okay, so here 4 minus 2 is 2 and power is 2 divide 2 multiply 3. Now we solve the exponent. Okay, so 2 power 2 is 4 divide 2 multiply with 2. So now we first simplify the division. 4 divide 2 is 2 and multiply is 3. So 2 multiply 3 is 6. So final answer of this question is 3. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video. Thanks.